Hey guys, what's going on out there? This is Wayne with Tri-County Locksmith, and this edition of Locksmith Ledger is really special because there are some really cool articles in there. One of my articles is in there. This is the cover page. They're really covering Salto locks. So if you've heard of Salto and you want to learn more information, there's a lot of information about Salto in here. Really cool system that actually utilizes a lot of really fun technology. But this is the new edition right here. Just came out. I just got it today. And if we flip through there, there's a lot of really unique electronic access information and just really cool stuff overall in general. There's also a conversion from mechanical to electronic safe locks and vice versa. For more information, check out locksmithledger.com and read this edition. Have a great day.